While the country was gearing up to celebrate its 71st Republic Day, Orient Belt decided to go the extra mile to celebrate these unheard heroes. 5 crore plus masons and construction workers who shift their houses from site to site to build houses for us that eventually become our homes. These are the hands that build India. After long, exhaustive brainstorming sessions, we came upon this bright little idea that gained everyone's attention in the room. Under this idea, we decided to create awareness about the most vulnerable segment of our unorganized workforce. After many discussions, we figured out that the best medium was social media and best content, video. The idea had already touched us and was huge, but we had challenges. We only had a shoestring budget, not a justifiable amount for something this big. But since we wholeheartedly believed in the idea, it was enough for us to look out for ways to produce these videos. So we went ahead and took support of our client, Gorsons. They came a step forward to help us out with this. We went at their upcoming site, Gors Siddhartham, in Greater Noida and did several rounds of recce to understand the site. And then we were ready to shoot. And it all came to action, with real masons instead of real actors, which made it authentic. The rest of the cast were non-actor folks from Orient Belt Tiles and our creative partner. We all worked tirelessly for an entire day, and 10 days later, the video was ready. It came out just as we expected. It moved the entire team which worked on it. It was beautiful, emotional, and touched just the right chords. We believed in the content from the beginning, and it was reaffirmed after watching the video. So we quickly did a screening of this video in our head office. It moved all the employees to bits, and the feeling began to grow even bigger. Now it made more sense to acknowledge our heroes by meeting them. So we organized Masons meets to upskill and express our gratitude to them. We also ran this campaign across our Orient Belt Tile boutiques, where from retail walk-ins to architects to interior designers and also Orient Belt staff showed their hands in support of Hands That Build India. We also installed boards across Orient Belt stores for people to pen down their messages for masons and construction workers. The feeling grew. It grew as it spread. The video was also released on our social platforms and was appreciated and shared massively. We also ran a contest asking people to send in pictures and messages, pictures and videos poured from all corners of the nation, where people were showing hands in support of those who were day in and out to build the homes we live in. On 26th Jan, the Republic Day Hands That Build India campaign picked up. It was featured on many publication platforms and also became a trending topic on Twitter. But again, these were just the numbers. What counted was the wave of feelings that our nation felt. We are sure this feeling won't die here. We thank each one of you who came together to salute the hands that build India.